my partner Rodney Miller had been on the show prior, and I think we were just getting ready to close, or maybe had just closed on the deal at that time. This is a 100-unit C-class property in a market just east of Tulsa, Oklahoma, a place I never would have imagined me buying an apartment complex in Pryor, Oklahoma. Very small town, but the key factor that was one of the decision makers in us pursuing the deal was um, this is home to one of Google's server farms. They had come in 2011, I believe it was, and have since invested over $2 billion in this community, and have continued to expand their facilities, have purchased and built on to their existing facilities, purchased other facilities, built more, keep adding jobs. And the market there just aren't enough places to live. And so everything there is pretty much within 20 miles of there is a full. So there's not enough places to live. We saw, the fact that Google came in at the end of last year, even announced a several $100 million expansion on this facility specifically. And then later in the year, before they can even start this, announced a further expansion. And so, there's going to be jobs coming in this community for years to come. And Google's not a standalone. I mean, even though we know Google's not going to go anywhere, there are other, I think there's 5 Fortune 500 companies in this Mid-American Industrial Park there. And so it's a diverse economy with a lot of jobs there, and plan to be coming in the near future over the next several years. And so that, combined with the fact that the demand for housing there is led us to go ahead and pull the trigger on the deal.